Hi guys, sorry to be so random and just pop in really quickly, but I was just on HSN site because I do that pretty much every day, and I saw that the dimensional cake box is now available, the one that Die Press just came out with, and I know it wasn't there for craft day, but it is available now. The slimline pocket one isn't quite there yet, so we'll keep an eye out for that one. But I just want to show you that. So any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Now, initially they had sent this for my review. Obviously, I'm not reviewing it here or anything like that, but you know, all opinions are my own. They had sent it free of charge for my review. But this is the set, and I have it in one of the little pockets that I get from mydiamondpress.com. They might have them on HSN too, I'll check. But this is the kit, and we had already taken a good look at it, and I'll link that video in the description box in case you haven't seen it yet. I'm sorry this is such a random shot here, but you know, we have our little instructions, and it makes this little sweetie, and he is so cute, or she, or it. I always say he, she, or something. But super cute little box. It has a nice size. Of course, like I said, I've already reviewed it, so you know, it's about 4 inches from here to here, and the depth is like 2.5 by 2 inches, so 2.5 by 2 inches. And of course, it narrows out down here. Somebody had asked if a gift card would fit in here. I think so. I don't see why not. I mean, pretty good size. Unfortunately, I don't have anything that's like a gift card shape in front of me here, but yeah, even if it was angled this way, I don't see why not. But it is there available, and I'll have the links for you guys. It depends on when you're watching this. HSN does have a discount code, and I hardly ever mention that because, to be honest, if they send it to me, that doesn't mean they send it to everybody, and then people will be like, well, I didn't get that offer. And you might get an offer that I don't have. I know that happens too. So, you know, they just put out offers as they do. I don't know. So I'm sorry about that. But there it is, $24.95, and then it has, of course, the $3.50 shipping. So I just wanted to show it to you guys and let you know it is available because a lot of you guys were waiting for it. And then oh yeah, so I had another video ready to go for you guys with the Anna Griffin. Oh, with this one, my auto ship for the little pop-up garden box, which is really sweet. So I will have that for you guys in the morning. I don't like putting out so many videos that get stepped on each other. And then I got a haul in from HSN Craft Day, which is really fast, but they do have a, what's it called, a warehouse out here in Southern California, so I get things pretty quickly. So I will have that for you guys ready first thing in the morning, because unless I put it out way late tonight. I might put it out really late tonight, but either way, you'll see it by the morning, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. I said I'd give you guys a heads up as soon as I saw the kit, and there it is. So I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.